Sound attenuation on an excavator is an interesting factor, particularly with the cooler fans and oil fans, etc., on the side of the excavators, inlet and outlet. They are a significant noise source. The way that Minetek actually designs those side attenuators is that they're hinged, so that they can hinge open for access. You can get in very easily to do any maintenance that's needed. Also, another key factor to that is, though, the sound media that's in behind those hinged attenuators that come out can be slid out. There's a cartridge of sound media that can be slid out, and that means every 2 years, 3 years, etc., when it's due for sound media replacement, a new cartridge can just be slid straight in. Makes it a very easy replacement process that any of the maintenance crew can do. In fact, many mines keep a spare cartridge on site, just so there's no delay when it's realised that it's not up to its optimum level. Just on site, new one in, and the machine's going again.